so much for him.
Alright, Shootin, this is RedNeckTvRUs here. Boy, it's raining. Y'all can probably hear all this racket going in the background. There's a little fella over there. What's your name? Okay, we're gonna edit that part out. What's your name?
Joshoowa.
Joshoowa. What's your name?
Franklin.
Franklin? Alright, Shootin, that's Franklin, Joshoowa, and yeah. And RedNeckTv. Well, we's gonna go shoot some bows today. As y'all can see, there's a little deer over there.
Shh, gotta be
Little
quiet.
African deer.
Don't want to scare it. African deer.
African deer. They're gonna kill him. This Joshoowa is gonna shoot him. Hurry, Joshoowa, before it ruins my phone.
It's right.
Run, hurry up, you ain't got all day.
Shut up.
You ain't got all day.
It's a dead deer.
Shoot it. Look at this shot. You got him right there. Yeah. He's a good shot, Joshoowa.
Okay.
Kinda. He's got number 8. That's it. Alright, Shootin. We're RedNeckTvRUs here. We're signing out.
Bye.
See you later.